Let's see how to segment your chatbot leads. So here I have an example chatbot flow related to credit business. So here we are actually asking about particular customers about their credit score and also the purpose of loan and also the loan amount they are looking for. So here we are actually asking 3 questions, and we can based on the answers we can easily segment the customers and also send a follow-up messages accordingly. So let's see how to build a chatbot flow with the option of segmenting the leads as well. I'm in one of the account and the analytics section, so we want to actually build a flow. So let me go to the flow section over here, where we can create specific chatbot flows for the messages we have over here. So let me simply name this one as segment chatbot leads. So I'm going to name the flow as segment chatbot leads and click continue. Here it starts with the first message. Hi there, I'm here to help you to find the best loan options. Can I ask a few questions to get started? So let's add the first message over here. So here what you can do is you can, even if you are planning to use this on Instagram or Messenger, or if you already know the customer's first name, you can simply use the variable first name as well. So what happens is that if you use the variable first name on Instagram or Messenger, then whatever the first name they have provided in their Facebook profile or Instagram profile will be automatically fetched over there, and the customers will be addressed using their first name right here. And here you can add any sort of buttons option as well. So here, for example, sure and you can even add yes please. So here let me add one more button, not interested. So here we have 3 options or 3 button options for the customers. So if they press sure, we can send them to the next message, and also if they press yes please, we can also send them the next message asking them about the credit score. So if they say no, in this case we can simply tell them this sort of message: no problem, if you changed your mind or would you like to proceed, just press the button below. So if you changed your mind or would you like to proceed, just press the button below. So here you can get them to the flow once again as well. So let me add a button here as yes, let's go. And you can even connect this message right here as well. So even if they are not interested in the initial step, you can add this button as well. Alright, so now we want to ask them for their credit score. So here let's do like this. So here we want to get a particular customer's data. For that you can use get user data, and the reply should be a multiple choice. So here they have different options over here, so you can choose multiple choice, and you can actually create a new variable field over here. Otherwise you can actually select one as well. So let me see if we have anything related to credit. So here we have this field, current credit score. So let me choose this one. Otherwise you can also create add new as well. So here you can actually allow customers to just select these options over here, press enter, and the next option would be good, press enter, and here fair, press enter, and here below this is 650 or below, and you can remove this skip over here, so that if empty, the user will be forced to fill this particular field to go to the next step. Simple as that, and click continue. So here, so let me add an action over here and connect this one right here. So let's say you can add a tag which can be used to segment your audience. So tag, let's say good credit. So this customer has a good credit, and here you can have these as good credit as well. If it is actually below 650, then you can actually add a tag as saying it is a bad credit. So here actions add tag bad credit. So here, let me add this one like this. All right, once they answered this particular question right here, we are going to ask them the other question and send this message as well. So here, send message. So let me simply add this message right here. Great, thank you. And here, connect this one over here, so they can actually goes to the next step right here. And here, let me ask the question, purpose of the loan. Please select one. So we want to ask a question, get user data. What is the purpose of the loan? And here you can actually use the multiple choice, and let's create a field, purpose of the loan. All right, continue. And here you can add whatever the options you have right here. Home purchase, car purchase, debt consolidation, personal expenses. Alright, and here we can remove the skip button once again as well. So let's say this particular business only offers loans related to home purchase or car purchase. So they do not actually help if they actually want loan for the debt consolidation or personal expenses. So we can actually add a tag over here, actions, add tag, and let me qualified lead. So here we already have this tag, otherwise you can simply type and press enter, so that particular tag will be created. So here you can do like this. So if they choose home purchase or car purchase, then we can say they actually qualified. And let's say if they choose one of these options over here, we can simply say a message for them saying, thanks for your interest, but unfortunately we do not help with loans for. And here you can add the purpose of loan as well. And here let's say, have a great day ahead. So if they choose one of these options, debt consolidation or personal expenses, we can simply say, thanks for your interest, but unfortunately we do not help with loans for this particular purpose. So if they choose this particular option, home purchase or car purchase, then we can get them more forward in this particular flow. And here we can simply ask them how much they are actually looking to borrow. So let me ask this question, and here you have to choose the multiple choice once again, and let's add loan amount as the field right here. So let me add these options right here, 25 to 50,000 and more than 50,000, or we can simply say 50,000 plus. So let me delete this one right here. All right, so we are actually providing three options, and let me delete this option as well. All right, so once these details are saved, we are going to move to the next step, and we want to send this option, then whatever the details provided by the customer over here, and ask them if they would like to have a representative contact them. So here so credit score, current score, purpose. So let's add the purpose of the loan right here, and the amount. So loan amount is right here. All right, so based on the credit score, the purpose, and the loan amount, so here we can say like this: based on the credit score, the purpose of the loan, and the amount you wish to borrow, I have some great options for you. And here let's add a 2 seconds delay and ask them, would you like to have a representative contact you? And let's say yes or no. And here if they say yes, then we can get them, ask them for their phone number, and make sure you have to connect all these right here. Otherwise, another option is that you can simply use the data saved option, because we are actually sending everything to the same message, so it doesn't matter whatever the loan amount, we are going to send them this message right after they choose one of these options. So you can either choose data saved and right here, otherwise you can delete this one and have these three separately connected over here as well. So there are two options to connect to the next flow over here and here. Let's say I want to ask them for their phone number, so get user data, and here let's ask for the phone number, and here what is your best phone number? And once they provide the phone number, let's send the message as well. Let's send this message right here. Thank you, you will receive the loan options shortly. Have a great day. So if they say no, no worries. Check out our website for more information, and here you can simply add visit website or something like that, and here you can simply add whatever the links you want to have for the website as well. Simple as that. So even if they don't want to if they are not actually interested in a representative contacting them, you can simply send them to the website as well. Otherwise, you can simply ask them for their phone number and you will receive the loan options shortly. Have a great day as well. So here, so once they provide the phone number, we want to notify the admins as well. So here you can simply use the actions over here and choose the inbox actions. So here inbox actions, and you can simply assign a particular loan specialist for this particular customer. So here you can say assign conversation to an admin, choose whatever the loan specialist you have. So let's say, let me assign this conversation to Christian Ross. So this will be assigned to them, and here you can simply notify the admins as well, and here you can send a notification to Christian saying a new loan request has been received, and you can send these sort of messages. And customer name should be, you can simply get the full name from the Facebook or Instagram and use it right here. And here you can add their phone number as well, because we have already collected the customer's phone number as well. So let's send the notification to this particular person right here, so that we can check it live as well. So I have changed the admin notification right here to this particular agent. Alright, we have almost set this up over here, and let's quickly publish this one over here. Alright, it's published. So now we can quickly test this one, how this actually works. So this can actually works on any of these channels as you see here. So we can test this on the Instagram. Let's trigger this particular automation using a particular keyword. So here you can use that automated responses over here. So let's say, let's add a new automated response. Let's say if customer says apply, and we can simply trigger the flow segment chatbot leads right here. Save. Here if a particular customer says apply, then this particular flow will be triggered. This can simply works on any of these channels right here. We are in the Instagram, and let me send the keyword apply to the Instagram DMs and see what happens. So it simply says, hi Robert, I'm here to help you to find the best loan options. Can I ask you a few questions to get started? So here we have put 3 buttons right here, and based on whatever the buttons they choose, they will be sent these sort of messages. So if I choose not interested, it will say no problem. If you change your mind or would you like to proceed, just press the button below. and let's press let's go, it will simply ask for the credit score. So here these are the credit score option we have provided. So let me choose excellent right here. Great, thank you. What is the purpose of the loan you are looking for? And here we have these sort of options. So let me choose home purchase right here, and it will go to the next question. Lastly, how much are you looking to borrow? So let's say 25 to 50,000. Alright, thank you. Credit score is this one, and as you see here, purpose is this one, loan amount is this one, and it simply says, would you like to have a representative contact you? Let's say yes, and in this case it will simply ask for the phone number as well. So let's enter some phone number right here. So I provided a random phone number, and it says thank you, you will receive the loan options shortly, have a great day. So whatever the conversation have just happened here will be tracked in the omnichannel inbox as well. So this has happened in the Instagram. So if we go to the omnichannel inbox right here, you can see the current credit score, the loan amount, the purpose, this is the Instagram profile, and this is the conversation right here. And also, as you remember, we actually assigned this particular conversation to this agent, as you see here. So in this particular contact, as you see here, this is already assigned to this particular agent, and that particular agent already received the admin notification as well. So if we go to the admin notification, as you see here, this is Telegram. So you can receive admin notification through Telegram, SMS or email or other channels as well. So here, this is the admin notification I have received. A new loan request has been received. This is the customer, the phone number, the excellent, home purchase, this kind of thing. And if they click on this particular button or the link, they can simply go to the omnichannel inbox and chat with that particular customer as well. So they have to actually log in here, but after login, they can simply chat with that particular customer as well. So even they can use this omnichannel inbox to send any sort of messages, or they can have pre-saved templates right here to talk with the customer as well. And regarding the segmenting the chatbot leads over here, so if we go to this particular customer's profile, you can see the tag. So this person has a good credit because they have chosen 750, and also they are also qualified lead because based on the qualification procedure we have, if they have chosen a home purchase or a car purchase, then they actually qualified lead. So that's how we actually set the tags right here. So for example, if you want to check who are the qualified leads with good credit, you can simply use this option right here, filter option, more option, and here you can say tag is good credit. So here let's just do one tag, good credit, and save. So it will actually track who are the persons with the good credit over here. So as I mentioned, this can actually works on other channels too. So let's do a quick test on the web chat as well. So here for the web chat, we don't know the customer name, so we want to ask them for their name as well. So here I want to do a simple modification over here. I want to add a condition right here. So condition based on the user channel. So if it is actually a web chat, then we might need to ask them for their name first. So let me say thanks for reaching out, what's your name? So here you have to use get user data over here for the name. So here let's choose text and choose the full name and remove the skip button as well. Alright, let me cut and paste this one right here. Alright, so here if it is web chat, we want to actually ask them for the name first, and after that we want to send them right here. If it is other channels like Instagram Messenger, you can simply start with their name from whatever the name they have already provided in the Instagram or Messenger. So here you have to change the starting step to this particular condition as well. That's it. That's a simple change we want to do here. All right, so now I can simply get a published link and simply copy this one, and let's paste that link right here and initiate the web chat over here. So when a web chat is initiated, you should be able to track that particular chat as well. So let me remove that particular condition over here so that we can check all the conversations happening right here. All right, and as you see here, for the web chat we have already received this message. So let me remove this contact and start fresh. So let me refresh this page so we can actually start as a fresh contact over here. All right, it's asking for the name. So let's say my name is Franklin, and it simply says, "Hi Franklin, I'm here to find you the best loan options. Can I ask you a few quick questions to get started?" So here, yes please. And here it says credit score range. So let me choose poor over here. Great, thank you. What is the purpose of loan you are looking for? So let's say personal expenses. So if it is a personal expenses loan, they don't actually help. So let's see what sort of response we're actually receiving right here. Thanks for your interest, but unfortunately we do not help with loans for personal expenses. Have a great day. Simple as that. So here, if we go to this particular contact right here, web chat, the Franklin is here. These are the variables or the details we collected from the customer, and here we have the tag bad credit as well, and they cannot actually move forward because they have actually not qualified lead as well. You can even send broadcast messages to these leads based on their credit score as well. For example, let me show. So here we already have collected their phone number as well. So here, if we go to the broadcast over here, you can actually create a broadcast message in a separate flow, and you can simply send a broadcast. So here, let me choose the broadcast through the SMS right here, and here you can have whatever the message flow, broadcast flow created right here, and here you can actually send broadcast based on their credit score. So let's say good credit score, and let's say you want to send broadcast message to someone who have a good credit score and also who actually looked for a car purchase loan. So in this case, you can simply say purpose of the loan contains or is car purchase. So here we don't have 0 customers right here, so because in the previous examples we actually choose home purchase. So that's a quick idea on how to send customized broadcast to the leads you're actually segmenting right here. So if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.